message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. 700,000 nuclear missiles have been launched from unknown locations, and they are expected to hit the United States within the next 10 hours. All residents are advised to seek a fallout shelter now. The President and his family are being moved to a safe location. The President is unable to speak on the air at this time. Bring food, water, and a battery-powered radio with you in your stay in the fallout shelter. Stand by for a message from the President or his representative.
This is a national emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. The station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations should remain on the air to provide news or information to the public or assigned areas. We will be discontinuing programming. You should tune to stations providing news or information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Fort Worth area. Do not use your telephones. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed, to keep you safe.